construct a matrix A equals to the element is Aij is given, and the order of the matrix is 3 by 2, and whose element Aij, the expression for one of the element is given to us. Aij equals to half of modulus of I plus 3j, and we need to construct a 3 by 2 matrix. So it is clear that in this video we are not going to solve the matrices, but in this video we are going to learn how to construct a matrix when the expression for one of the element is given to us in terms of I and j. So what is given to us? The element is given to us. The expression for one of the element, general expression, is equals to half modulus of I plus 3j, and I stand for row number, and j stand for column number. And it is 3 by 2, implies there are the 3 rows and 2 columns. Implies we need to construct the 3 rows 2 column matrix. So I equals to, when the row number are there, I equals to 1, 2 and 3, and there are the 2 columns, therefore j equals to 1 and 2. So we need to substitute the values of I equals to 1, 2, 3 and j equals to 1, 2 in the given equation, and we get the elements of the first 3 rows and 2 columns. So required matrix will be in the form like A11, A12, A21, A22, A31 and A32. So there are the 3 rows, row first, second row and third row, and first column and second column. We need to find the values of A11, A12, A21, A22, A31 and A32. Now to find out A11, what do? You keep as it is, and what is the expression given to us? Half I plus 3j. So here I stand for 1 and j even stand for 1. So this equals to 1 by 2, and here is a 1. So 1 plus 3 equals to 4 by 2 equals to 2. Similarly, A12 equals to half and 1 plus 3 into 2. In place of j, write down the 2 equals to half, and here it is a 7 and modulus, so we took the positive value, 7 upon 2. Then A13, there is no 13. You see, last is a A12, so there is no question of A13. Cut it down, then go for A21. So half and I value 2 and j value 1, so that equals to half, that becomes 5, so 5 upon 2. And after that A22, nothing but half, in place of I write down 2, and in place of j even you write down the 2, and this becomes half, and 2 plus 6 equals to 8 upon 2 equals to 4. Then A23, there is no question of A23 because we need to construct a matrix of 3 by 2, so there is no 3 is not available there, therefore this is wrong. Then we need to go for A31. So A31 nothing but half, in place of I write down the 3, in place of j 1, so that equals to 5 upon 2. Then A32 half, then I value 3 and j value 2, so that equals to 7 upon 2. A33 not available there. Last one is the A32 only, so A33. So we have to stop at A32. Therefore, required matrix A equals to, in place of A11, what is the result? 2 is the result, so right here. Then A12, what is the result of A12? 7 upon 2, write down here. Then A21, what is the result? 5 upon 2, right here. Then A22, that is equals to 4, write down here. then A31 that equals to 5 upon 2, then A32 the value is 7 upon 2, write down here. So this is required matrix and it is a 3 by 2 matrix, 3 rows and 2 columns. So this is required solution. Before proceeding for the next question, I would like to request you subscribe the channel. This channel is exclusively only for mathematics. Example 2, construct a matrix A equals to given 1 by 2 matrix and element Aij given by 2i plus 3j. Now solution, it is having 1 row and 2 columns. So matrix A can be written as 1 row and 2 columns, that is A11, A12. So it is 1 row and 2 column matrix. We need to find out A11 and A12. Therefore, A11 equals to, in place of I write down 1, in place of j even 1, so 2 plus 3 equals to 5. And A12 equals to 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2 equals to 2 plus 6 equals to 8. Therefore, required matrix A equals to A11, A12. In place of A11, you can write down 5 value, and in place of 1, 2, write down 8. So the required matrix is 5, 8, and it is a 1 by 2. There are the 1 row, 5 and 8 is a 1 row, and it is the first column, it is the second column. Therefore, it is 1 by 2 matrix, and this is required solution. Example 3. In this example, we need to construct 3 by 3 matrix, and general expression for element is given by I plus j. Aij equals to I plus j. So we need to construct 3 by 3 matrix, that is A equals to 3 by 3 matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, 23, and A31, A32, and A33. So now first of all, let us get the values of all these elements. I already calculated these values. Now I am going to put here in the respective places. The value of A11 is 2, so write down here 2. Value of A12, that is equals to 3. Then A13 equals to 4. Similarly, other values 3 and 4, 5, then 4, 5, 6. So this is required matrix. Now before saying goodbye to you, I would like to put one question. The question is that, you see, these two elements are similar, and these elements are similar, these and these elements are similar, implies the value of A12 equals to the value of A21, the value of A13 equals to value of A31, and value of A23 is equals to value of A32. On the basis of this, can you guess what type of matrix we got here as a result? Write down your answer in the comment box. Let's see how much strong your matrices is. Meet you again with next topic. Till then, wish you good luck, all the best. Before saying goodbye to you, I would like to request you like, share and subscribe the channel. Meet you again with next topic. Till then, I hope you will keep on enjoying mathematics. Bye bye.